Ababundi be chigas chokoboko kurase bunge South Mugirango ngobona balene kibako gokira maiga ye ekyombe gitendetso bwagachikia National Construction Authority mense ito ya Kenya kubatrana nomo women rep county ya Kisii Muskedonya Dori Saburi lechukurero banyakoba bakonyora maigilio nabo konyora certificate chibaranya ko baba gutumeka konyora imirimo ao Nigo omo women rep county ya Kisii Muskedonya Saburi nyakobaga kwera obuyabo konya certificate chiga azenonyana baborire serikali nene kwene kinga chigasi chemirimo yo kwagacha nyumba cherigoririke ababundi abungonyara balemereme yo
Nduru South Mugirango o partner na NCA chifundi okonyole bintu mbire bawo sabu no chugote ma convince client keri o chugokolere mirimo ngano somete okonyora ge kogotebi lete certificate bono yagera mune omuraibu ensatangasa affordable housing ni maita abantu mbale kurugali Nairobi ase tokorabera nkoratore chifundi ngokora chire chigase chine certificate ene takire bono rero chigase china chichagega gusi chifundi chiminyo kororo ntotake batote bibuya ingi chifundi chiagusi chitanyorere gasi ikiagaronye ne certificate mbabwate. So our fundis today they will compete na fundi chinde chonsipi banyore gasi kwa vyovyote vile
ababwatani bekyombe kya NCA nigobo igobago kiri gitambukire kigana kumwakirambiye mono women rep Muskedonya Dori Saburi.
For us to accredit our skilled construction workers and supervisors, we focus on the skills and the competencies that the fundis have. So we look into the certificates that the fundis have in the various construction trades as stipulated in our regulations. We've been able and we are still processing accreditation for the workers that were in this forum, and hopefully by end of the day we will be done with processing of the 500 skilled workers that were in this forum. So we are very grateful for this partnership because it is a step towards regulating the construction industry and also empowering our skilled workers with the right skills, the right competencies and the right soft skills as they do their works in the construction industry.
Egati ya bali banyora amagiria yo nabo igochi certificate nigo bago kiri gitambukire kiga asenonyana bo baburi mu women rep Muskedonya Saburi kwene kinga ngo bakonyare asokonyare mirimo eryo bayigendrie
Korko Brian nkorete kosi yo mekanika ingireri bagari wakera mama county mbiamono asiga serwa korire unanchwe ekijana maene konyore certificate ye taligasi raisi eneli bagari nene twairwe na ekero murarete chigasiri chonsi na turanyoreri bagerio totebe mbiamono tenya sago senia asiga sio gukora anda no tole maega bune bijana for empowerment elinde tonyare kwaga chinsi yetu ya Kenya
inche nagokeire mono aseri tukeriga kororo mongina tonya toto omurayo ito oyo bwe chinguru obeiro gotokonya goikera bunande iga boniga nigo nachite ngatrain egase iga ya masonalis yabeire ke gonkonya ase chinga kichintambe yankonya ira bana bane handake abo barenge gocha kobepi bago ase chinga chia pamate baito korende omugambi ito nagwakire ngambu ya mono wankonyire nande na nyarire kwa bagingo koira ne ngambu ya mono ekiagera gwankonyire certificate eyintaringe gocha koramba ringi keri ase ogwaka na chibese linde nyanyore igo bono ngokora nerio mugambi ngambu ya mono genderera mo negasi iga nandi ngo sabe serikali moto bwate si moto konye moto sire kurumaga anda onsi asega siere monyare ka bamogo turangeli buna ntu chifundi buna ntu abangina monyare ka bamogo tosira tonyare ka batokonya asense ya Kenya amone chinga cheito.
Reporteria Oyominto TV cross skuru ya Umraya Nduru Boys team ya South Mugirango County ya Kisii retira na Pethuel Machin.